Your thumb and this finger, and no, I'm not calling you a loser, but you will need these if you're going to learn this complete beginner's Travis picking style. So for this beginner's guitar tutorial, we're only going to need one chord, and that's the A major chord. And it looks like this. I play it like this, using the second, third and fourth finger. You can play it like this, many people do, with the first, second and third. In fact, this is the way I first learnt it. And either way will be absolutely fine. So now we know what chord we're going to use, we can spend the rest of the lesson focusing on this hand here, the picking hand. So let's look at the thumb first. And the thumb plays what is an alternating pattern. It plays two different strings. And it's kind of playing similar to what the bass guitar would play, you know, dung, 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 that kind of thing, the low notes. And the thumb plays on the even beats of a bar. And what I mean by that, in a bar there are 4 beats, and the thumb will be playing on beats 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on the beat. But the thumb will play 2 different strings. Can you guess what they are?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So as I said, there are 4 beats in a bar. Now for the first and third beat of the bar, your thumb is going to play the open A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, while you're doing this, you're actually playing the A chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the second and fourth beat, your thumb is playing the D string, the 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In combination, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember that this is played in time. You're not going to go fast, you're going to slow down. Keep the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's slow that down a little bit and let's let you and me play it together. So get your guitar, I hope you're in tune. Get your guitar and let's play it together. So remember, we're holding down the A chord, like so, and this is just the thumb part. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's have a look at the finger, the first finger, and what it does. So we know that the thumb was playing on the on beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this finger will be playing on the off beats, the and parts of the bar. So it goes something like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now that we know it plays off the beat, what is your finger actually going to play? Any ideas? Have a think.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's see if you're right. So you're playing the G string or the 3rd string on the odd ands, and you're playing the B string or the 2nd string on the even ands. Let's look at the G string, and it goes something like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the B string is going to be doing this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Right, so let's try this together. Just the first fingers. Okay, that's all we're going to play, and we'll be playing them on the and beats. So the G on the G string, we'll be playing on the 1 and the 3 and beat, and the B string on the 2 and 4 and strings. I hope I'm not overcomplicating things here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So okay, we've got the thumb playing the A string and the D string, and we've got the first finger playing the G and the B string. So the thumb is going like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and the first finger is going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now let's put the whole thing together. Have a listen to me first, and then we're going to practice. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Sounding quite nice. Okay, so you and me together, let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've been practicing this quite a bit over the last few days just to try and get this video right, and as I've been practicing I found myself with a nice little red tip of my finger, if you can see that there. It's a bit red there, and that's just something that happens with constant practice, but you know, if you develop that, it'll go away, no problems. And I also find that this part of my thumb gets a little bit calloused as well. But again, you know, with time and practice, all of this stuff, you know, it doesn't hurt after a while, right? It does go away. The pain will end. In some of my earlier Travis picking lessons, I told you to use the first and second fingers, but I was wrong. Now, I'd never actually watched Merle Travis play. When I was learning this many years ago, I just had a book, that's it. Book and some LPs, and that helped me to figure this all out. And so when it was brought to my attention by a kind viewer that he only uses the first finger and not the first and second, I had to check it out, and he was right. It's only the first finger. So let me know, do you think using just one finger is easier than using two fingers for this technique? Let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for joining me today, and happy picking.